Today, I'm going to show you how to hang a light. A really basic DIY project. Connect a couple of cables and you've got light. But first, second, and third is safety. So therefore, I'm waiting for a licensed electrician who's going to install a junction box, run a line, and put a light switch on the inside. The light is going to end up right about there. The most important thing with any electrical installation is safety, safety, safety. So the light switch is off. There's for sure no power coming here, but for double insurance, I've also turned it off at the breaker box. The first thing that we want to do is make sure there's no electricity. So I've got a voltage meter, tap here, nothing's beeping, and I've got a green light. That means there's no power coming through, so we're extra safe. The next thing we got to do is find how we're going to mount this whole fixture with the electrical to the junction box. Every light fixture comes with either a mounting bar or a mounting faceplate that's round. They're universal. These little slots here allows you to shift it back and forth to wherever you need to fit it. So we're going to install this on our 2 screws. I've run the top cap of our damp protector, which means it's going to keep the moisture away from our actual electrical connections, which is really important because guess what? We're outside. So what we're going to do first, it's got the 3 connections on the inside, negative, positive, and the grounding wire. I'm going to attach this part now. Now we're completely moisture proof. All right, so we've got our wiring in, we've got our cap in place, everything's secured and safe. I'm just going to put a light bulb in here and make sure that it works when I turn on the switch and the breaker. All right, well, we've got lights and a very easy DIY project as long as you keep safety in mind. Make sure that you work hand in hand with a licensed electrician, and you too can do this and more. Visit us at familyhandyman.com.